Hello, so if you're getting the sound problem in the new GTA 5 enhanced game, so this will be showing you how to fix it. So the first thing you need to do to fix this type of issue is simply restart your device. Sometimes the starting device is fix this type of issue, but if it's not fixed, then in here you need to make sure that your current system is selected properly. And from here you will be able to see this option. You can select a different option. So if you have not selected your device, then you need to make sure that it's selected in here. But if you are still facing the issue, then click on window icon, go to the setting. So here in the setting, you need to go to the system. In the system, select the sound from the side menu. Here, scroll to the bottom and then press on this app volume and device preferences. Open it. So here you can see every device have a default setting. So for example, if your GTA 5 is currently running, it will be shown in here. And you need to make sure that your input device is set it to the device that you wanted, change from the default, and also make sure that the output device is set to the device that you wanted. So you need to change from the default setting. So here you need to set your GTA 5 enhance in here to the devices or to the mic that you want to intravise it. So you need to change the default to your device, and once you change this, the issue will be fixed. I hope this will help you. Subscribe to the channel for more informative like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.